Hey, hey, hey. This is Deep Sea Dave, and it's Tuesday, November 2nd, and I'm just going to take a quick look and do an early morning meeting. I'm cruising over here with my buddy FBI, and we'll see what's going on in the market. But right now, let's take a look at the futures, and they are up. The market's flat. We got to just argue that the market's flat at this point. Looks like it's putting in a double top on the dailies. Those two dojis, if we close like this, like with that doji, like we did on Friday, then that's a good indication that this upward trend is coming to an end. Doesn't mean that it's going to sell off, but it could just roll into a consolidation. I'm looking for that sell off. I need some premium. So everybody, cross your fingers and help Dave make money. Help me, help me. So anyway, that's what we're looking at for the day. And quick look at the 10-year. The 10-year's fading off, so that's going to support a move up in the market. And that's all I'm really looking at today. I got to move fast. Might be a rogue wave on its way. Topple me over. Send my computer into the water. We're looking at the news today, and there's really nothing too pressing coming out today, tomorrow. I think I saw something this morning. Oh, you get the Fed decision Wednesday. I didn't know that. And then the conference. Yeah, it's going to be a quiet week. Well, probably a quiet day going into that. And we'll see what the Fed has to do. And then non-farm on Friday. Yeah, this should be a quiet week. But I think I said that last non-farm Fed period last month, and that's when everything got crazy. So maybe your best move is to go to Matt's channel and see what he has to say. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. That's bad advice. Looking at CNBC. Elon, yo, what is it? A mustache or is that ass hair? Looks like he's growing ass hair on his lip. I love the guy, but that's just doesn't constitute a mustache. Just not a face for a mustache, man. Quentin Tarantino to offer 7 uncut scenes from Pulp Fiction as NFTs. Oh, that dude's going to make a killing on that. Fed expected to announce end of bond buying program. Yeah, I think I'm going to hold off and see what this cat has to say. Hopefully he tanks the market and I can get some premium. People coming out with buys. Oh, look at that. Anybody see Google? Was it Google bought out Under Armour? Or Amazon? What did I tell you yesterday? Google or Amazon bought out Amazon. All right, so that's the news. That's all that's going to be happening. So I'm going to split and watch the market open. Everybody just remember to be calm, cool, do a little meditation, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.